Live from the Fastener TV studios, it's In the News with Fastener News Desk.
Thank you, Chris. I'm Lisa Kleinhandler, Editor-in-Chief at Fastener News Desk. It's In the News the week of June 20th, 2022. In fastener industry acquisition news, Endries International, a fastener distributor located in Brillion, Wisconsin, has purchased Store Room Fasteners, a 38-year-old business based in Montgomery, Alabama. Financial terms were not disclosed. Company president Steve Endries said in a statement that Endries is thrilled to welcome Store Room Fasteners into our family. Tim has built an organization that mirrors what Endries was and is. The methodology and approach both companies follow is very consistent. We look forward to working with our new team members to improve our overall market offerings. Registration is now open for the 41st edition of the International Fastener Expo, which takes place in Las Vegas, Nevada, October 17th through the 19th. The IFE is the largest B2B expo of industrial fasteners and tooling and machinery in North America. Since 1981, the event continues to bring together the manufacturers and master distributors of fasteners and other related products and services with distributors and sales agents in the entire supply and distribution chain. Make sure to register by June 27th to save with early bird discount rates. IFE exhibitors, with more than 300 companies already registered, space is running out to exhibit at this year's expo. Don't miss your opportunity to make an impact at the largest B2B expo for fasteners, tooling, and machinery. Go to fastenershows.com to book your space and get registered today. In 3D printing news, Fastener News Desk has special coverage of some groundbreaking research from the University of Limerick in Ireland. Their School of Engineering has successfully manufactured 316 stainless steel bolts. They felt that the gap between how aerospace bolts have been designed and produced over many decades could be optimized by employing the advantages offered by AM technology. And in Fastener News, the May seasonally adjusted Fastener Distributor Index was essentially unchanged versus last month, remaining in modest growth territory at 52.7. Container and import logistics constraints and slowing growth were consistent themes amongst respondents. Hear more about this month's FDI in the new episode of Fully Threaded Radio. It's episode 177, titled The Other Show. Tune in now at fullythreaded.com. And in fastener industry scholarships, Women in the Fastener Industry Association is offering 2 great scholarship opportunities. Wi-Fi honors the memory of Ann Bisgeyer-Wulls, co-publisher of Fastener Industry News, with a scholarship opportunity to become a certified fastener specialist with the Fastener Training Institute. Deadline for applications is June 28th. Wi-Fi additionally honors the memory of Joanne Goodman Sherman, co-owner of Industrial Rivet and Fastener, with the Joanne Sherman Thor's e-learning scholarship, which is currently accepting applicants. And application deadline for this scholarship is July 1st. To get more information about the scholarship opportunities and apply today, go to fastenerwomen.com/scholarships. And in fastener event news, the National Fastener Distributors Association will host the 2022 NFDA annual meeting and executive sales planning sessions starting tomorrow, which runs also through the 23rd. For more information, you can go to nfda-fastener.org. And the Fastener Training Institute's Fastener Training Week is scheduled for August 22nd through the 26th in Chicago. The Advanced Technical Training Program is offered in partnership with the Industrial Fastener Institute and is for fastener distributors, manufacturers, and end users. Fastener Training Week will be hosted by the Midwest Fastener Association and will offer 5 intensive days of education and plant tours as part of the FTI Certified Fastener Specialist Advanced Technical Training Program. Attendees will be eligible for the Certified Fastener Specialist designation. And save the dates, August 21st through the 26th, for the Midwest Fastener Association's Fastener Week. Get involved in a charity bed building event that benefits the Sleep in Heavenly Peace organization. Plus, there's a fastener seminar, golf outing, and lots more networking opportunities. For registration and information, go to mwfa.net. And the International Fastener Expo Hall of Fame recognizes professionals who have made significant and enduring contributions to the fastener industry. This year marks the 40th anniversary of the IFE Hall of Fame. Who do you think should be honored with this prestigious award this year? To nominate, go to fastenershows.com. The deadline to submit your nomination is July 30th. The stories we featured in this week's episode of In the News can be found at Fastener News Desk or in our Twitter feed at Fastener News or on LinkedIn in the Fastener News group. This week's episode has been sponsored by Product Genius Technology. Enhance your website customer experience with the best view for industrial product search. Product Genius Technology's services include data cleaning, preparation, consulting, and strategizing. Contact productgeniustechnology.com or call 1-800-FASTENERS to find out how to get started today. If you'd like to share your company's events, news, or sponsor an upcoming episode of In the News, or you'd like to add to the Fastener Museum, contact me, Lisa at FastenerNewsDesk.com. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of In the News with Fastener News Desk. Until next week, be well, be safe, and keep it fascinating.